everybody, how's everybody doing today? It's Miss Pam here. Today I got a super duper duper cute craft. It's this cute ornament. Oh! For this craft we're gonna need a couple of things that I will show you up next. Stays. Okay, so we're gonna need a couple of clear plastic ornaments. And then we're also gonna need some fake snow. Wish it was real snow. And then we're also gonna need some silver bells and some silver cord and some stickers. And of course you can use whatever you would like to decorate your ornaments. And I'm gonna show you a couple of different things that I'm gonna use for different ornaments. So for this one, we're gonna start with this one. So we're gonna get our clear plastic ornament and we're gonna open it, and we'll just have to be careful with it. And then we're gonna fill it up with some fake snow. So, let's see. Oh, it's like super wrapped. Let's see. Oh, I love the texture of fake snow. Ooh, it feels very holiday-ish. Okay, and then we're gonna fill it up. You can fill it up as much as you like. Go, fill up a little bit more. And there you go. And then I'm gonna be a little extra, so I'm gonna put some bells inside of it instead of the outside. I'm gonna get a couple of them. I'm gonna put them in here and see how that looks. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that looks cute. Oh, you can still hear them. Okay, and then we will close this off. It gets a little tricky. Oh, this one was fast. And then we're gonna cut some cord. We're gonna tie this on our ornament like this. I'll double tie it so it's a lot more secure. And then we're gonna get our stickers. And then all of these materials I bought at Hobby Lobby. You don't have to get them at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at Michael's, Amazon, anywhere. But I like to go in person to get my craft materials. I don't know, I like to try them on if I can, see like the colors, because sometimes online is like it gets to be a different color or the sizes. So I just like to go in person. Sometimes I end up getting a lot more than what I go in for, but it's okay. It's okay. I think we're all been there. And we're just gonna keep decorating. Let's decorate them. I'm gonna add 2 more. Let's see. This right here. So super easy. And 1 here. There you go. Your own Christmas ornament. See? I can barely hear it. And now I'm gonna make another one with different materials so you can see. So now let's see. Let's get our clear plastic one again. Then now this one, I'm gonna use some confetti. Oh, I love using confetti. I feel like it's glitter, but it's easier to clean up, kind of. I don't know about you. Let's see. Fill it up. Oh, that sound. Should we put more? Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. You can tell I like confetti a little bit too much. And then now I'm gonna put some bells, but now I'm gonna use gold bears. Let's see. There's a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh, it's cute. Now we're gonna close it up. And then for this one, like it's tricky. There. For this one, I'm gonna use some red cord to kind of go with the colors of the confetti. So tie this. Oh, this one looks very festive. Super holiday-ish. I'm gonna tie this one, double tie it again like the other one. And so it's secure. And there you go. And we're also gonna decorate with some stickers. These stickers right here. Let's see. I'm gonna put some. Oh, they're so cute. Here. Another one on this side. And another one over here. And another one over here. And one last one over here. There you go. Your third Christmas ornament. It's heavy. I don't know if it's a confetti or if it's a bell, but this one's heavy. This one's so cute. And we'll make one last one. So, let's see. This packet came out with 4, so I was like, I'm gonna use all 4. So let's see. I'm gonna open this one too, but this one I'm gonna use some pom-poms. So, let's see. They do fit. Yay! I wasn't sure if they're gonna fit. Oh, they look so cool. Oh, let's see, a couple more. This one. Now let's see. Should we put some bells in it? I think you'll hear the bells on this one. You can hear them, you can hear them. We'll put them outside too. Let's see. Now for this one, tie it like here. And then you can put these stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I was walking out the store, I was like, oh, that looks so cute. Let's see. He's here. Oh, it's letter by letter. I thought it was the whole thing, but see how it's like letter by letter? There you have it, the last Christmas ornament with pom-poms. Says, Merry Christmas. Well, it took me like 30 minutes to put every single letter in here, but it was worth it. It looks cute. And now we have 1, 2, 3 Christmas ornaments. The snowy one, the confetti one, that between me and you, it's my favorite one. It's so cute. And the pom-pom one. Now don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter under Crafty Pammy. And also don't forget to visit my website called craftypammy.com. I'll see you soon. Bye!